gamers, welcome to a PCPartPicker.com build guide. Here, let me show you my current PC setup, just so you have some context as how deep I am in the PC scene. So it's actually not a PC. Okay, so this is me watching the guide, because obviously since I don't know how to build a computer, I'm gonna have to watch a guide on how to build a computer, so I can make a guide on how to build a computer.
Parts list looks drastically different from the hard today. It's up to 3 points.
Okay.
Because we've got a lot of building to do right afterwards. So first off, our CPU of the hour is the Ryzen 5 1600. It's a 6-core, 12-thread part. Boosts up to 3.6 gigahertz. I am going to try to push that a bit further with a manual overclock for performance out of it. As
See, I don't know anything about computers. So I think I just have to improvise. Alright, so we have all our PC parts on the floor right now. We got them in the boxes, and what we have to do is we have to get these out of the boxes. So, to do this, we're going to use an old tried and tested trick of fisting, and then just fucking bada bing, bada boom, they're out. But I wouldn't recommend this for beginners. It does get parts dirty and lost, and being a beginner, I should not have done this. Alright, so this should be the final step of throwing stuff together. This is what really speeds up, expedites the process, so it's gonna go fast. Bear with me. You can actually stop using your hands at this point. It just gets monotonous after a while, so just lift it up, and you can take a part from the ground, and if you aim it right, you should be able to just jam it in there. But to speed it up, we can actually just take every single part from the ground, ball it up, and then eventually we just kind of